Welcome to Code Shopping.
Hi, today we are going to see demo for food recipe MERN web application. Let's see how to start the project. First open the MongoDB. Then connect the MongoDB. Left side you can able to see the backend database on these tables. Click on the user. Here you can see the user registration data. Next open the Visual Studio. First explore the project folder. Here you can see the backend and the client folders. First go to the backend folder. Here you can see the modules and router. Modules have here project field names. Next go to the router. Here you can see the router get put post codes. Then go to the client. Client is here front end. Then you can see the node modules and the SRC folder. Click on the SRC. Then go to the components. Here you can see the project React.js components files. Then go to the readme text. Here you can see the how to run the project in step-by-step procedure. Next run the backend and the client terminal. So open the new terminal. First connect the backend on this path. So enter the CD backend. Then install the node modules. Enter the npm install. I have already installed, so I will go to the next step. Enter the npm start. Now backend server is connect. Next clear the client terminal. Enter the CD client. Then enter the npm run div. Now client server also connected. Copy the URL link and paste to the browser. Now we can see the food recipe MERN web application. It's our two roles, user and admin. First go to the admin. Enter the email ID and password. Then log in into the admin homepage. This is the admin homepage. Admin will be manage the three modules. Admin can approve the user recipes and post the categories. First go to the approve recipe. Here you can see the all user recipes and then you will see the recipe name and ingredients and instructions. Then you will check to give the approval. Next go to the user details. Here you can see the all registered user details. Then go to the post categories. Admin will be manage the category details. Here you can add new categories. Enter the category name. Then click on the submit. Now add successfully. And then you will update and delete the category details. Next we will move for the user role. We have to sign up. Go to the register now. Enter your name, then email ID, password. Enter your 10 digit mobile number. Your password must contain at least one capital letter, one special character, then length of 8 digits. Now register successfully. If you already registered, you can use your email ID and password. Now login successfully. Now we can see the user homepage. User will be manage the various modules. User can post the recipes and then user will be see the all recipes. First go to the add recipe. Here you will be post the new recipe details and first choose the recipe image. Then enter the recipe name. Then add the ingredients and the instruction. Then select the category. Next click on the submit. Now recipe created successfully. After you post the recipes, here you can see the all post recipes and then here you will be see the approval status. Your recipe is pending. And then here you will be update and delete the recipe details. Let's go to the search all recipes. Here you can see the all post recipes details on this page. And then here you will be check search to view all recipes. Then click on the rating. Here you will be share our rating and submit. Then click on the add to favorite. Now this recipe is add to your favorite list. Then go to the favorite recipe. Here you can see your all favorite recipes. Then go to the my profile. Here you can see your profile details and then you will update your profile details. That's the whole food recipe MERN web application.
Code shopping.